So I've got a couple eggs here only because there's a couple ways to crack eggs. The way that I generally do it is I hit my egg right on the, some kind of sharp edge, some kind of corner of something. And then we're going to do what's called shell to shell on the first one. So I'm just going to open up my egg and allow whatever white can kind of drain off and drip off on its own. And then I'm going to pass that yolk from shell to remove any egg white that I can. And you see even that sort of wiggly bit just fell off. If it doesn't, you can actually kind of like slice it off with the shell. All right, so that's one way to do it. Now, I spent some time with Jacques Pepin, and he feels if you crack it like that, that you might be getting shell into the egg. So another way to do it is to just do it on a flat surface. So just crack right on something flat versus something pointy. And now I'm going to show you how chefs separate eggs. So, when I'm separating egg yolks, I often have to do like 30 at a time because I'm doing big batches. So we do it with our hands. We make sort of a claw shape with our fingers and just dump the whole egg in there, shake, 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 and you'll see the egg white will drip down between my fingers. And that's much faster if you're doing a lot of them. Like, see how I'm just shaking it back and forth? And you can even cut off that wiggly bit again, like just bring your two fingers together and kind of snip it off if you want to. You can also just strain that little wiggly part out later. It'll cook and coagulate, and we can strain it out. So those are a couple different ways that you can separate your eggs.